In the vast tapestry of history, countless names echo through the ages, loud and resonant. Figures like Julius Caesar, Alexander the Great, and Napoleon Bonaparte, whose legacies have been studied, revered, and retold. Yet, for every famous leader or celebrated warrior, there exist those who, despite altering the course of history, remain largely forgotten by the masses. Today, we journey into the shadows of time, exploring the lives of these unsung heroes, unknown warriors who, through their remarkable deeds and unyielding spirits, carved paths that ultimately shaped the world in unimaginable ways. Our story begins in the heart of ancient China, with a formidable figure known as Fu Hao. Living during the Shang Dynasty around the 13th century BCE, Fu Hao was not just a consort to the king, but a military leader unparalleled in her strategic prowess. As a woman commanding force in an era that predominantly relegated women to domestic roles, her tale is one of triumph over expected boundaries. Fu Hao led numerous military campaigns, and her tactics were instrumental in maintaining stability across regions that are now wholly integral parts of China's cultural identity. Each victory not only fortified the Shang Dynasty's hold on power, but also showcased the profound capacities of women leaders, setting a precedent that resonates even today. Crossing the seas to ancient Gaul, we uncover the compelling story of Vercingetorix, a chieftain of the Arverni tribe. During the Gallic Wars, it was Vercingetorix who united warring tribes to stand against the might of Julius Caesar and the expansive Roman army. Though his name may not be as widely recognized as that of his adversary, Vercingetorix played a crucial role in one of the most formidable resistances against Rome. His leadership at the Battle of Gergovia exemplified an audacious spirit that held Roman forces at bay, providing a model of unity and defiance. Although ultimately captured, Vercingetorix's courage and strategies have inspired countless tales of resistance and rebellion across history. Now, we turn our gaze to Lucretia Mott, a name less known in the pantheon of world changers, yet whose impact reverberates through the annals of social justice. Born into the web of early 19th century America, Mott was a Quaker abolitionist and a pioneer of the women's rights movement. An eloquent speaker and tireless advocate, Lucretia spurred the first wave of feminism by helping to organize the Seneca Falls Convention, championing discussions on gender equality and civil rights that would ignite movements for generations. Despite the impediments of her time, Mott's influence was profound, sowing the seeds for future leaders who would continue the fight for equality. Our exploration would be incomplete without a nod to Bessie Coleman, whose defiance of racial and gender boundaries carried her high above the clouds. The early 20th century was not kind to African Americans and certainly not amenable to female pilots. Yet, undeterred by these societal constraints, Bessie became the first African American woman to earn a pilot's license. Her aviation feats won hearts across the globe and opened doors for future generations. Coleman's legacy encapsulates unwavering determination, proving that the sky is not the limit when one possesses an indomitable will. These stories of forgotten heroes are a testament to the transformative power of ordinary people thrust into extraordinary circumstances. Each, in their unique manner, altered the trajectories of those who would follow. They remind us that history is not simply shaped by those in the spotlight, but also by the myriad of voices rising from the margins. Voices that, though perhaps faded with time, are no less vibrant in their significance. In reflecting on these untold tales, we are encouraged to look deeper into the tapestry of our past, to celebrate and honor those who, despite the lack of public acknowledgement, wrought changes that forever influenced our world. Thus, as we close this chapter on history's unsung warriors, let their stories inspire us to recognize and appreciate all human efforts that drive progress, ensuring that their legacies live on, sparking courage, unity, and perseverance in the generations to come.